In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Le Mans Ultimate on your PC. So what you need to do is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and leave a like on this video. Once you have done that, we can quickly search up this game at Steam before we continue to another website to download this game. Now go to the Steam website, quickly search up this game Le Mans Ultimate and select the game. Then scroll a little bit down, and as you can see, this game on Steam is €39.99. But don't worry, we have a little workaround to save yourself a bit of money while downloading games legitly online. So what you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this page. As you can see, we can search for the same game, Le Mans Ultimate. So search for that. Then select games on the left side and sort by price lowest first. As you can see, there is a PC version available which can be activated in our country, so make sure this text is marked green, otherwise it won't work. After that, select the game and then open the game page, and as you can see, we can already download this game for just €22.95 compared to the Steam price of €39.99. So once you have purchased this game on this website, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including a activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game completely legit on your PC through Steam. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next gaming tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!